In the ongoing border tensions between Bhutan and China, despite ongoing talks, satellite images reveal concerning developments in the Jakarlung Valley. Satellite images obtained from Maksar revealed a dramatic escalation in construction activities by China in North Bhutan's Jakarlung Valley. These images, the clearest to date, suggest that diplomatic negotiations have not deterred Beijing from advancing its presence in the region located just 50 kilometers from Bhutan's eastern border with Arunachal Pradesh. The images, dated December 7th, exposed the construction of 129 residential buildings in one settlement and 62 buildings in a second enclave. Astonishingly, previous images from August 2021 show no signs of these structures, indicating a rapid and unauthorized expansion by China. These developments come at a crucial time as Bhutan seeks to strengthen ties with China to address historical incursions. In October, Bhutan's Foreign Minister Tandi Dorji visited Beijing in a landmark diplomatic move, expressing hope for a clear delineation of borders between the two nations. Bhutanese Prime Minister Lotay Tshering, speaking to The Hindu in October, acknowledged the need for a distinct boundary, stating, and I quote, "We hope to see a line being drawn this side Bhutan and that side China. We don't have that right now." Importantly, he did not rule out the possibility of a land swap, raising the prospect of territorial exchanges. Bhutan's king, Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk's recent visit to India further underscores the complexity of the negotiations. While the joint statement did not provide specific details on the border talks, discussions covered bilateral cooperation and regional and global issues. The historical tension in the Doklam region, where a 2017 standoff between India and China occurred, remains a focal point. Prime Minister Tshering emphasized the need to ensure both India and China are content with the decisions made in the border talks. India closely monitors China's expansion near the Amuchu River Valley adjacent to the Doklam Plateau, raising concerns about proximity to the strategic Siliguri corridor. The situation in the Jakarlung Valley is evolving rapidly and the international community is closely watching.